to my channel. It's your girl Stushy. For all that don't know me, it's your girl Stushy. But welcome to, wait, things are flying. Hey Stush gang, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stushy. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Today's video will be this spidery October Halloween themed tutorial. This is a recreation of what Aaliyah J did in one of her Halloween videos. I'll leave the link to her video down below, so please watch that and let me know if this was a nail or fail. I think it's pretty decent. I think I could have done better over here, but nonetheless, this is just for fun. This is not me trying to be an IMAX makeup artist or anything of that sort, or makeup artist for, you know, those scary movies or whatever. So I just wanted to test my creativity and see if I could create a Halloween look for you guys, or recreate a Halloween look for you guys, and this is what I came up with. So if you aren't already subscribed, go subscribe now, right down below. My hands look like chicken fingers, but make sure you go subscribe right down below. Make sure to like and comment on this video. Let me know what you're going to be for Halloween, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Yes, Silky is popping. Welcome to Silky to the channel. Hi Silky. Bye Silky. So I'm going to start this look off with some orange shadows in my crease, but first, of course, I have to put down some primer. So I'm using concealer as some primer, and I'm just going to blend it out. I'm not going to set it with powder. I'm just going to go right in with some orange shadows in my crease. And I'm just building a ton of different oranges on my crease, very similar in color, some darker than others. I think I used around 3 different oranges in my crease. And I'm just going to blend that out and make it as seamless as possible. I believe Aaliyah J used some gray eyeshadow in her crease, but I'm using oranges because I felt like it went better with my actual melanin and my hair color, and I just wanted to use orange. Why not? I wanted to put my own spin to it, so that's why I'm using orange. So grab some Halloween candy. Wait, no, I don't like Halloween candy. Grab some Kit Kat or some Snickers or whatever candy of your choice, and sit back, enjoy, and watch the video. I'll be popping in randomly just to update you guys as to what I'm doing. Enjoy. So the next thing that I'll be doing before admiring myself, relax, is using this black eye crayon as a base on my lid. I'll be putting this down as a base so that once I put black eyeshadow on top, because anything that's a cream you have to set with a powder, after I put black eyeshadow on top, it should be as pigmented as possible. So I'm going to put that down, blend it out with a fluffy brush, then I'm going to use a flat brush and apply some black eyeshadow over top. After applying the black eyeshadow to my lid, I'm ensuring that I'm blending the crease with my eye space, my eyelid space, just so that they merge together and there aren't any gaps or harsh lines in between these two shadows. As you can see, I'm pretty satisfied with the eyes, so I'll start to work on the face right now. I'll be priming, you know, adding foundation, concealer, and all that stuff. So I'll catch back up with you guys after I finish the face. Back again. Nah, so after I dust all this powder away, this finishing powder away, I will be doing everything that I did on the top of my lid on the bottom. So I'll be using the orange shade that I used in my crease on my waterline as well to smoke that out. And I'm also going to put the black crayon that I put on my lid underneath there as well. And I'll be blending my life away in these steps. Feeling it, sis? Are you feeling it? Yes, yes. Give them face. Yes. Now I'm applying some blush to my cheeks. I use the same color that I put in my crease just to make it look, well, just to make it really merge together. I think it gave it a pop of color. I went in with a little bit too much blush, but no worries. You just use your face powder and sweep it over top the blush and it'll like make it look seamless. So now for the fun part. Woohoo! I'll be drawing these spider legs with my Rihanna Cause I'm Black fly liner. I wish I had a liquid eyeliner. I mean, this is one, but more of a cheaper liquid eyeliner, so I wouldn't be wasting this product essentially. But I'm starting very slowly and I'm trying to draw these spider legs. I'm just doing them randomly. I am also looking at Aaliyah J's video just to see placement, where I should place them, and just how, I don't know how long they should be essentially. So I'm just drawing, just trying to figure it out. They look horrible now, but really and truly the white eyeliner makes it, and you'll see what I mean sooner than later. I tried to remind myself that they shouldn't look perfect because spider legs are indeed hairy, so I was trying to give off that effect when drawing them as well. It's very important to make them look all the same length so they look realistic compared to having one long leg and the other one really short. It just would work better if they all were around the same size, because if you think about it, spider legs, maybe there are one or two that are a little bit longer, but they're not all different sizes, you know what I mean? So that's what I tried to do when creating these legs as well. And I believe I did 4 up top and 4 on the bottom just to make it even. So I'm going to speed this up a little bit and I'll be back once I start to create some depth to the legs. So right now I'm just using the same liner to go back in and just darken everything up a bit. Now I have a brown eyeshadow that I'll be using to create some shadow on the actual legs to make them look realistic. So I'm just connecting the tail of the legs, the bottom point of the legs, and just moving it upwards. I don't know, just it's best to maybe just watch what I'm doing. I'm drawing it inwards towards my actual eye just to make it look more realistic with the brown eyeshadow. You'll also see me like using another fluffy brush, a denser fluffy brush, to blend out the shadow, the brown shadow that I'm putting down to create some depth, because I want it to look seamless. I don't want it to be too harsh on my face, and that's what I'm doing right now as I speak. Along with going back in with the liner to just make the ends look a little bit more pointy, so it looks like it's actually sitting on my face. It's really just me playing it by ear, just seeing what looks good as I move along. Hope that makes sense. Now for my favorite part, this is when I start to apply the white eyeshadow right here. I think it made the spider look a lot more realistic because it's creating some highlight to its actual body. So of course we did shadow with the brown eyeshadow, so we're now creating some highlight to make it stand up and look realistic. So I'm just randomly placing it, just as I said before, playing it by ear and seeing how it looks on your actual face. So I'm just putting it mostly like at the beginning of the legs and at the end of the legs at the point. So you'll see me do this in the video. It was right here that I realized that this video might actually go up because I felt as though they look pretty decent. I'm just going back in with that same brush and blending the shadow out that I put down to create some depth. Clearly sis was feeling it. Yes, you bet to work, sis. Going in with some green eyeliner, I don't really think it did much. I didn't really want to use such a bright eyeliner that she used in her video. She used like a neon green, but I went in with some eyeliner because I didn't want to leave my waterline bare. And I'm also going to add some lashes and add some cream shadow to my brow bone. I'll be adding some highlight to my cheek areas, you know, the regular places that you add a highlight, the cheek, my cupid's bow, my nose. And then I tried to do this ombre black and white kind of grayish looking shadow, but I started off using green. Looking at the video, the green doesn't look too bad with the white in the middle, but I ended up changing it and going in with black and white instead. I also wanted to try this orange shade that I had, but I felt it would have taken the look somewhere else and I wasn't going for that, so I was like, nah sis, that's not it, and I took that off as well. But you'll see my final color. I was feeling the black and white a lot more. I don't know if it was because I felt like it went really well with the spider and the shadow and the highlight that I created with that. But I'm adding a little bit more highlight, just playing it by ear. What I've been doing this whole video, honestly. Playing it by ear and just adding some earrings and just finishing it off. Showing you guys some black glitter that I ended up putting on my actual lip space. I don't know if it really showed up. I think in person you could see it, but not on camera. Here I'm being silly. Relax, relax. is the finished look. This is what I've come up with. I hope you guys really enjoyed the tutorial. I wonder what it would look like to have two. That would probably like take over the whole face too much. If you guys decide to create this look, I'd really love to know. It really wasn't that bad. Trying to make it look real was kind of hard, but I really had fun creating this look for the channel. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe all down below, and I'll see y'all in the next one.